Full specs and features of Nokia 7 Plus. The Nokia 7 Plus, which appeared in what looks like leaked presentation slides, is said to come with a 6-inch 18:9 display, likely Full HD Plus resolution though it wasn't mentioned, Snapdragon 660 chip, 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage space. The cameras are expected to come in the form of a dual-lens 12 plus 13 megapixel setup on the rear, and 16 megapixels front camera featuring tetracell technology for better low-light shots, while the original Nokia 7 had a single 16 megapixels rear camera and 5 megapixels front camera. Both of the 7 Plus camera modules are believed to have been developed by Zeiss, and they should provide for a significant upgrade over the Nokia 7. The 7 Plus battery size wasn't speculated upon, but it should be at least 3000 mAh, which the ostensibly smaller Nokia 7 had, and it looks like it will include a USB Type-C connector. The leaked materials also suggest the 7 Plus will run Android 8.0 Oreo. The Nokia 7 is only a few months old at this point. But with a better processor, camera tech, and larger display area, the Nokia 7 Plus should be a worthy addition to the Nokia 7 family. Nokia 7 Plus could be announced at MWC 2018. And additionally, their source revealed that the starting price in Kazakhstan will be $435, or approximately €350, which would place Nokia 7 Plus between Nokia 6 and Nokia 8.
7 Plus were leaked online. Today, images of the device have also surfaced, confirming those specs. The pictures are not the sharpest when it comes to leaks, but they are clear enough to make out key details. HMD Global seems to be going for a similar design as the second-gen Nokia 6 based on the color accents we can see around the camera, fingerprint scanner, and metal frame. One of the photos show a clear view of the 6 FHD end display. The bezels are still there, but the lower one is slightly smaller than that of the Nokia 7. There are no buttons on the front, capacitive or physical, so on-screen buttons are the way to go. The Nokia 7 Plus sports dual rear cameras, 12MP plus 13MP, with Zeiss lenses and 2x zoom and dual pixel technology. The cameras are also raised. The front camera is a 16MP f2.0 sensor with beauty mode. There is also slow motion and Nokia signature bokeh for taking pictures or recording videos with both cameras at the same time. The body is actually a mix of metal and ceramic, and it will be available in black and white. There is a high chance the phone may launch first in China before a global release.